Hello and welcome to Defense Expo 2014, and we are at Zen Technologies Limited with Mr. Anjum Sahab, Vice President of Projects and Promotions. So Mr. Anjum, what are you here? What are your products for 2014 Expo, Defense Expo?
Zen Technology is into making of simulators for the equipment which is used by the defense forces, paramilitary forces and the state police forces.
Okay.
Whatever equipment they have, be it a tank or be a normal vehicle or the weapon which he fires, anything, we are making the simulator for that main equipment so that instead of going out in the field, he can do the training. His personals, the unit personnel can do their training sitting inside the unit areas
Okay.
and thereby saving time, saving administrative issues, logistical issues, and many other things.
So what are the advantages of these simulators which are creating inside? Which are created inside?
Many advantages, many advantages. Now, take the case of a tank, for example. Now, to carry out the training of the crew of a tank, you have to go to a tank firing range
Okay.
because that is the area where the tank can move. That is the place where the tank can fire. That is the place where maneuvers can be carried out. But this is not easily available. The firing ranges are in limited numbers and there are many units. And therefore, what we do is we give them a simulator. Using that, they can carry out the same training in their own unit areas, thereby saving time, saving money to the government, and also utilize the training skill of the keep the training skills of the people going because they do not have the availability of the ranges so
Okay.
frequently.
What are the future prospects of Zen Technologies? What are their future plans? What are they up to in future?
Yeah, Zen started in a very smaller way. It started in 1993. Then we had only few simulators at that point of time. Now we have been able to make the simulators for most of the equipment used by Indian Army.
Okay.
Now the simulators are also many types. You call virtual simulators, live simulators, and constructive simulators or interactive simulators. Earlier we were in virtual simulators only. Now we migrated from virtual to live, and now we are coming to the interactive or constructive simulation. You would have seen one stand here where it's saying wargaming solutions.
Okay.
Now we were not there in wargaming solutions earlier. Now we are into wargaming solution. Secondly, what I want to tell you is that we were making the simulator for the land forces only, for the army. We have not made the simulator for the Air Force and the Navy. But we now have made a simulator for UAV. We have mission, full mission simulator for UAV, Heron UAV.
Okay.
We are also talking to some international partners to get into simulator for the aircraft and also for the naval fleet
Wish you
as
all the
well.
luck, sir. Wish you
Thank
all
you
the
very
luck.
much.
Thank you.